How to download TikTok on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your iPhone. Once you're in the App Store, navigate to the search feature by tapping the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type in the name TikTok to install. From the list of search results, tap on TikTok as shown. If an update is available for the app, you will see a button that says Update. Tap on the Update button to start downloading and installing the latest version of the application. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to say Open. You can then tap Open to launch the app and enjoy. Following these steps, you can easily download TikTok on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.